Firstly, set volt division to 0.5 and then connect the oscilloscope probe. And we adjust the trigger level until it stops. And then we just adjust the vertical position to the center of the waveform. Okay, you can see the waveform there.
Next, we must connect the crocodile probe with oscilloscope probe. Next, power on of the function generator and you see the wave. After that, you must change this waveform to sine wave. Next, set the frequency to 1.0 and you get the perfect wave.
Okay, this is the waveform that we have. First, we have square wave, triangle wave. This is sine wave.